Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanya. So this is my first video tutorial of 2021. But if you haven't seen my previous video is about recap of 2020. So if you haven't watched that, link is here and in the description box. Please go and watch. So let's come to today's video. It's all about the how to make Ganesha painting on canvas. Here we go. First, we will draw margins on three sides with help of scale and pencil. And next, a rough sketch of Ganesha. I am making abstract modern Ganesha on canvas size 9 into 10 inches. Now we have done with the basic part of Ganesha painting. I bought new brustro paint brushes. It consists of 10 different size and shape of brushes. We will use flat curved size 6. So let's start with painting. I am using Crimson Lake, Scarlet Lake and Burnt Sienna for the upper background. We will mix Crimson and Scarlet Lake, then at last little bit of Burnt Sienna to give dark shade. Next, brush size 2 flat curved. Also, we need lemon yellow and yellow ochre for painting Ganesha. We will do yellow ochre here. Bit of Burnt Sienna for highlight. Here we will add Scarlet Lake to make it look like reddish tone. At last, we will need white color to give some light shade. Now, let's come to the lower part of the painting. Flat brush size 6. Brustro paint brushes are really go with the flow. Very smooth and lightweight, though very tall. We will do yellow color on the half part of this lower Ganesha and rest with the other color. For the background, I am using Burnt Sienna color. We will do black paint in some areas of background. We need cobalt blue for bottom of this painting and flat brush size 6. As you can see in the title abstract painting, we are adding more colors. I am doing blending technique here. What we gonna do here is just blending. Now you know dry brush all over the painting. It's turning black because we are doing it on red layer. We should choose paint brushes according to the area we are going to paint. If you find this video helpful, please share it with others also. We will use size 3 round brush for the eyes. have almost completed Ganesha painting. I am using scale and black marker for the outlines. Who already are my subscribers and watch my videos regularly must be known to that I use these tools for the same. If you wish to do with paint, you can, whichever you feel like comfortable. And let me know your views on Ganesha abstract painting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys. Seek, inspire, create.